Hi guys, I think I just want to give you a little throwback of how I met David. So I met David last July 2017 through an online fitness program. And I remember when I joined the program, I was really nervous in the beginning because for someone like me, it's hard to trust someone that I haven't really met yet or know of personally. So when I joined, I remember feeling really nervous, but there's just something about David and his team's openness to people and how relatable they are to us, and they're really understanding, and they adapt to whatever goal you have with yourself. So I remember the first time I met him, we did a fitness assessment. So they'll measure out your muscles and everything. So after that we met, and after that he designed a program for me through an online app. So it's really efficient. You can work out anywhere. You have David's app, and so with that you feel motivated anyway, and it's really descriptive of what you have to do. And David is always there for you. If you need to contact him for any questions, him and his team is always there anytime, and you can be anywhere. And since then, when I decided to join for Miss Universe Canada, I thought there's only one trainer that I truly trust and that can understand my needs and can just really adapt to whatever lifestyle I have, especially with my work. So ever since then, early this year, I've been meeting David weekly, and honestly, every time I meet him, I'm always learning. There's always something that I can change with myself, whether it's about life in general or with my fitness, posture and everything. So it's always a learning experience, and until now I've never been this motivated compared to before. I just noticed that this week I'm so motivated and just really ready for what's coming up next for me. So if you're questioning if you're trying to look for a trainer and you don't know, you're not sure, you can definitely message me. My Instagram is @GlorinGuelis, and you can ask me more questions about how the training is with David, and I will be honest, and right now I can tell you I recommend the Turnfit. Yeah, so see ya!